give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go
EDT is first. Oh, what's going on here? PMI is 15 minutes after the open. I get leaked, maybe. Do that for 9:45. Well, I don't know what that's all about, but yeah, I have no idea. Wonder what's 15 ticks even look like? Yeah, it's not much. Is this not all-time highs? Thought this was all-time highs. According to the daily, it looks like it. How far back is that? When was that methodical? I'm looking at the daily all the way back to May, August. August, I have to go back even further, I guess. Let me see. Am I looking at the wrong thing? I think it might be. Check the daily. Can you go to the daily and check it? My daily, we're way above those levels. Oh, the contract change. Yeah, I mean, even March, though. Yeah, I don't know. That doesn't really matter. Well, we're still going to go for it. The question is, where do I want to put my short? Probably going to put it somewhere in here. Like 670 or so. Got about 1 minute here. Oh, wow. Well, I don't know. I might be using another flip day. We'll see. Although we are pretty strong to the upside. Make my decision here in about 20 seconds or so. I think we're going to go for it. We got the payout on this account, so I'm not too worried about it. So we're going to see if we can get a trade out of here. We're obviously pretty volatile here. It's hard to see us continuing higher though. We're already way up here. All right, let's see what happens. Good luck, everybody. Well, not a huge fan of this candle. Not exactly the kind of candle I was expecting.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning.
So much for that account. I should have just canceled it. That sucks. Look, and it would have worked out. No, maybe? I don't know. I don't know where we were. Damn it. Alright, well, that sucks. Guess I should have just put it right under those candles, but I didn't want to because of this previous resistance here. But it would have worked had we done that. I should have just in my head I was like, let's cancel it and just do like 3 contracts. But it looks like we might not even have got that. It looks like we still would have failed. That's annoying. Well, that account's gone. You know what? Let's go grab another eval for the PMI in 45 minutes, and we'll YOLO that and see what happens. That's frustrating. I mean, we knew that we possibly were gonna do that, so I mean, it's expected, just frustrating. I had my mind made up. I wanted to do the 10 contracts today, so it's on me. Steve, I cannot find your... That's so frustrating. I should have just flipped it again, I guess. I don't know. I don't really know what I could have done different there except just not be eager to take 10 contracts. We just haven't been getting those big pushes. And once it didn't really do it right away, I should have known better. Oh, it worked out for you? Good. See, no stop loss. Just sucks that my stop loss was so close. I should have just put it up higher, I think was the problem. Steve, I can't find your code, and I don't think you're here. I'm only scrolling a little bit further. Alright, methodical mans it is for today. It's so frustrating. Bleh. But that's the risk you take when you get the payout. The heck is your code? give up. I give up. I think it's even more frustrating because it did continue down, just not before doing what it did. If I would have changed it to 3 contracts, I don't think it would have mattered. Because, I mean, we only had 700 in drawdown. Yeah. That's three days in a row that the opening trade technically didn't work for us. On the alright, so we should have an eval loading in here at some point. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the other account real quick while we're waiting. Alright, flip that one. That one is now at payout. What's up, Gary? Here's the new eval. And Q. Alrighty. So we're at payout now on 06 again. We just got to wait till April 1st. We unfortunately blew 07 on the opening trade there. Fortunately, it didn't work out. Did we even come close? Like, did it even poke through at all? And we're going to try to get this eval passed on the news at 9:45. Like, I think it came down, filled us, and just immediately reversed. Yeah, we pretty much bottom ticked it. That's frustrating. Oh, well. Oh, well. I had it in my instincts to cut it and use smaller size, but I don't even think using smaller size in that same spot would have mattered. I do not friend request anybody in Discord, so it's definitely an imposter. It's an imposter. Let me scroll down and ban them. So annoying. Actually, I don't even see one in there. What server does it say that we have in common? Also, where is everybody today? Alrighty. On the eval. For 63. Just wait until closer to 9:45. Take a look at my options real quick while I'm waiting. entering my options that I just took. I took cover calls on Oxy and JD. About 2 minutes here till the news.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Alright, all caught up there. What do we got? 30 seconds here. What's up, Zishan? Yeah, I wish I would have missed the opening trade too. Yeah, I just got the payout from it, so the account's all gone. And now we're about to YOLO a eval. Let's see if we can get that account back. All right, that's all we need. Good luck. Well, that's not quite the volatility we were looking for from this. Well, this is not exactly what we were expecting. Interesting. Well, I guess I'm going to cancel these orders because that's not what I was looking for. I was giving it a sec. I didn't know did they like not release them right away, or I didn't know what was going on there. Sometimes it like delays, but
change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living.
Well, I guess we're not gonna take this trade. And cancel those orders. It's a little frustrating. I was hoping to get the account right back. I thought it was they just throw the number in your face kind of thing. Yeah, I mean, it looks like they came out. For science trade here. Take that. Just reading the price action right at the base where we would take it for science trade. At least one of those worked out nice. That's the first trade I think that's worked out nicely in 3 days. It's been a rough week. Thankfully we managed to get a payout out of it. Okay, we're at another key area here. Hoping for a little bit more than that. Damn, I was about to jump into, and I was like, you know what, let me see if we'll get a retest first. Damn. That would have been nice. Would have been forced to take a big move up. And they do not want it under this area. They keep popping that thing right back up. I guess I'll try the eval again at 10 o'clock, see if that actually gives us a big move or not. Good stuff, Methodical. What's up, Tamimi? Good morning. Good Hood go. Go Hood go. This is why we need the 90% so we can get these accounts back cheaper. Damn, they're a little too low. I was expecting a little bit more of a pop down, but damn. Had the right idea. We were just too low. What type of move? The bounce and then lower? I'm really kicking myself for not getting in Tesla under 165. I really just wanted it at like in the 150s. Got the 162 or so. It's frustrating. Yeah, I always called it the bouncy ball. Every bounce, go a little bit lower. That's the idea. Just following the trend of the bouncy ball. Trying to see where we would go from here. I don't really see anything until 611, 612. I mean, maybe right here, 625. No, I wanted to buy Tesla options, but I did not. Steve, I went for the 10 contracts and it faked me out. I didn't have any wiggle room. It was on the the account I just got the payout on. Steve, I looked everywhere for your code. I couldn't find it. I even asked if you were in here. I grabbed it for I was grabbing an account for the 945 news. I ended up using Methodical's code because you were nowhere to be found and I couldn't find it. I looked in our text message, our Discord message. I couldn't find it. Well, I had to do it really fast. kidding me? 2450, and it went to 26. So 6 ticks. Man, look at these. That's twice now. We just missed it. I'm dead. Blame yourself for not being here. Seems like everybody missed it. You, Zishan wasn't here. Froggo's still sleeping. Nobody was here this morning. I mean, I was about to pay you in that affiliation money, but you weren't here. I sat there, I scrolled for a while in both of those messages, and then it was getting too close to where I wouldn't get the account in time, so snooze you lose. The important people were here. Yeah. You're sick? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, man. No one likes being sick. I can't afford to get sick right. Well, not that I can't afford to get sick. I don't want to get sick because we're about to leave for vacation in 2 days. I'm sad we lost the account. I was kind of hoping things would go my way into vacation, but the way this week has gone, I'm not surprised that that's what happened. It's been a rough week. Abe wears shades. Wouldn't that have been cool if he did? What's up, man? Hey, no problem. If you ever have any questions, feel free to stop in here and ask, or on the videos itself. US 30 for a while. How's it working out for you? Well, I scrolled for like 30 seconds, which is a lot on both. So it was like a minute. Who knows if you would have even responded. I actually was going to message you. I was running out of time. VIP is my name. So now Steve, Zishan, and I are not important. Yeah, see, you shouldn't have had that. You shouldn't have had that meeting. I knew about it. I've been plotting against you ever since. That's funny. I think this time, I don't know. If we come all the way back down again, I'm not sure we don't get like a bigger push. Oh, wait. Wasn't there supposed to be something at 10 o'clock? I guess those existing home sales didn't do anything. I totally forgot about it. It's already 10:02 almost. Do pretty well. Play mostly flags and ancient. Love the leverage prop presents. Nice. Yep. Take advantage of the props. That's all you can do. Find an edge and use the props to your advantage. Yeah, I guess the 10 o'clock news didn't really do anything. Nobody needs to learn fair value gap. The problem with trying to YOLO and eval, just trying to pick a direction, is the drawdown. It's like you could pick a direction and you could be right, but the drawdown could get you when you're using so many contracts. That's the only problem. You had like $700 in the account. You should not use 10 contracts, maybe less. Well, yeah, but to Mimi, that's exactly what I did for the other payouts. So I'm not gonna just not do it. It's what worked to get. So when I took the payout on the other account, I did it twice now, and I'm getting 2 more payouts because of it. Where I used 10 contracts to build the buffer back up. Is anyone having problems with Tradeovate? I do not use Tradeovate, Courtney, so I'm sorry, I do not know. Are you in the Apex Discord? That would probably be a better place to ask. There's a lot of people that use it in there. I won't give them the secret sauce of the fair value gap. No. Yeah, I guess the 10 o'clock news didn't really do anything. I could look in there for you real quick. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like you're not the only one. A lot of people are complaining about Tradeovate right now. No, I'm in a trade on Tradeovate now. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure some people are doing okay, but it does look like a bunch of people in the Discord are screwing up. Or not screwing up, having problems. Did you tell the guy? I did not. Yeah, Steve actually got he got a PA account from trading the FOMC yesterday. I wish I would have had this problem yesterday. I would have traded the FOMC. Well, Courtney, if it's a pretty wide known problem, they might reset it for you. Come on, market, do something. My fellow fair value gap traders saying we're going down to 18,590. It's quite the drop. This is the eval. Do I play engulfing candles? I mean, I typically don't really care what the candles look like. This is a Tamimi trade. I wish it told you how much you would lose on the stop when you drag it as well. Does it? Did I just hit the wrong thing? Oh, it does. It just doesn't say it. Oh, wait. I think it's supposed to. Tamimi. 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 My stop loss should be at 670s. It's looking like that's not going to matter, broski. All right, I jumped right back in where I got out. We'll move it up. We'll move it up to 670s. Oh. Oh. Can we get back through this? We have to get through this 54 area. Okay. Maybe. Okay. To the lows, maybe? There's no way we keep going straight down. Huh? Oh, no. Continue down in there? Maybe? No. I'm just trying to use it as support. That was a good dump, but it needed to continue. It needed to get back down in there. It's got to push through. Got to break that candle. Gotta break that candle. Come on. I could see how this could be a sweep. Like swept the upside and then back to the lows. Made everyone think we were going up, but now we're going back lower. I think I only need to get back to the lows here with 6 contracts instead of 3. It didn't break the low of that candle though. It's not good. As long as we don't break the high of this one and start going higher. It depends on which way we break first. It's probably the way we're going. It feels like we want to go higher. See if they overlap it or not. Well, they overlapped it there so far. Oh, no. Not looking great. Not looking great. It's a pretty big candle to the upside again. Maybe they slam it here. 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, they're trying to make it engulfing. Not looking good. Not looking good. Good morning, Knives. Before you say anything, we're just kind of gambling an eval to try to get back the account we blew on the opening range trade. Good morning, Jason. Is everyone golfing above us and need to fill before we dump? Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, for now, I'm only playing the 1 minute. I have the other charts up. I have the 5 minute, the hourly, and the daily up. Oh, nice. We broke that candle. See if we can continue through, though. Oh, nice. I have no idea where I have to get to. Why is this not open? Oh, there we go. I think... I honestly don't know where we have to get to. That's the problem. We were down... How much were we down? 1,000? So that means we need 4,000? Probably somewhere around there. Right at the lows. I think I'm going to take maybe 3 off if we get a push down, though. And then we'll see. Oh, no. We'll just let it go. Why not? Okay, okay. Just trying. Just gonna let it play out. Just an eval. Previous 5 minute NQ is bullish. And notice that pattern lose opening trade then YOLO. Yeah, but I'm just YOLO and an eval. It's not a PA. And I'm not really trying to YOLO. I tried to YOLO it on the 945 news, but it didn't do anything. The 945 news didn't do anything. How come my eval is not up on here? I don't know why that's... Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that. The drawdown could get me here. See, I can't see my drawdown right now, so I don't even know what it is. Fuck! There it is. All right. Well, I'm not gonna do another one. That's bullshit right there. That's the one thing, man. That's why I meant I was gonna take some off, because I was thinking I don't know why it didn't show it on here. I forgot about the drawdown. I'm not gonna lie. Last, if I do 1 micro, I'm not trying to pass a eval with 1 micro. You kidding me? That would take forever. Trying to pass that eval in 20 seconds. Yeah, wrong, Bo. Where are you at? The worst part is, watch this come all the way back down. That's the worst part. That would suck. That would suck. We were up a decent amount there. I should have took some off. But I was just letting it play out. I didn't even think about the drawdown. Is that really 2,500 bucks in drawdown? Just that right there with 6 contracts? Man, that's rough. If this goes to the lows now, man, that's the cap off to my week. I'm gonna tell you right now, if this goes to the lows before coming back up and breaking these highs, I am not streaming tomorrow. I'm gonna take tomorrow off and start my vacation early. Because I will have no reason to be here tomorrow except for the Zshan account. Maybe I'll come trade the open with the Zshan account and then be done with it. No, I'm not going to do that because I said I'm only going to trade that account the way that with that one trade, just to keep track of it. Yeah, I can use your code, Steve, on the next one. But it won't be until after I get back from vacation, so it's literally going to come all the way back down. What a joke. What a joke. Well, we got to pay. We apply or got the payout approved, what, 2 days ago. And we are at payout on the 06 account. That's all that matters today. Looking at the positives. Today we technically lost 120 plus 40. So we lost $160 today, which is going to turn into 200 because we're going to have to get another eval and then another. So it's technically every time you blow an account. See, a lot of people don't think about that. When you blow a PA account, even if you got a payout, it's not just $120 or whatever it is. You have to times that by 2 because now you have to replace that account. So technically it's 240, 250. So every time you blow a PA account, it's technically 250, not 125 or whatever it is. Which it's fine as long as you're getting the payouts. It's not that big of a deal. But that's what a lot of people fail to remember is that they add up. You lose one, you got to replace it. So to replace it, you got to pay for it. Oh, it does look like we're coming back up, so. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I come back and trade the open and then just start my vacation early. Maybe I'll YOLO and eval tomorrow morning at the open, go for the full amount instead of 15 ticks. And then the rest of the day I'll just I might take off and go pack and all that stuff. R for science trades, we've just been missing them. Literally, I think everyone except for that first one. This is funny. It still wouldn't have got us. See? I keep trying to get it to where I'd be at the top of the previous candle, and it keeps missing us by like a few ticks. Take that. That was it's funny because the more I drug the order up, I was more confident because we were getting into these tops over here. We're almost halfway to pay out on this account. Nice. Take that. Yeah, I'll be here tomorrow for the open, but that might be all of it. I'm not gonna sit here all day just for looking for these types of trades. I got a lot to do to make sure that we're packed, etc. Did Alpine do good today? Haha, knives, haha. Nope, I'm gonna go for 63 ticks on the opening trade tomorrow with 10 contracts on an eval, and that's gonna be it. So if you show up tomorrow, I will be here. I will be here at the open, and then that's it. I'll maybe till like 10 o'clock. Maybe I'll talk for like, well, maybe, I mean, you know what? 9:45. 9:45. I will be off by 9:45. My word is bond. You know who won't be here? Froggo. Knives, seriously though, I love it. Froggo's like maybe 10. No, yeah, maybe you'll be here at 10. Nope, 9:45. Tomorrow the stream will be from 9:25, maybe a little earlier. It depends, because sometimes I sit down a little bit early and I don't mind going live early. Whenever I get on in the morning till 9:45. I will hit stop streaming and broadcast at 9:45. Or 9 p.m. at night. Steve, text me your code. I can buy the account now. Either way, I'm gonna need to buy the account. But the YOLO Friday, but don't call it a quickie. Oh, it's gonna be a quickie. It's frustrating to lose that account. It really is. It makes me sad because now I'm sitting here paying $40 an account instead of 17. Or what is it, 33? It's only 30, 33 or 34, not 40. In my head, I think 20 or 40 when it's 90% or 80%. I know this week has been crap, but we're getting 2 payouts out of it, so I can't really complain that much. I did mean to show you guys that I don't think I actually did. I've been showing you guys when they get approved, but I forgot to do it yesterday. So there it is. 06. 06 is the one that I have now 3 payouts on. 07 is the one that I just had the 3rd payout, and then 06, as you can see, is about to get the fourth payout total, but it'll be the 3rd payout on that one, and it'll be on April 1st. The first payout on that one, as you just saw, was February 15th. Second one was March 4th, and the next one will be the April 1st through April 5th payout window. So that'll give me 3 separate months, 3 payouts. So if we can get that one back up and get some cushion on it, that's when we want our run good. The run bad, let's get it out of the way now. But we want the run good with that 06 account. We can build a nice cushion on that one. It won't be a $2,000 payout anymore. It could be 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 10,000. Let's do it. Yeah, but I'm gonna do what I've been doing, man. I'm gonna 10 contract that thing to try to get the drawdown back, and we're just gonna go for it. I have to have faith in the trade. The only thing that changes the way that I'm trading is when we're at payout on the accounts, because we can't take out more than 2,000. So if I'm at 2,000, there's no need to go any further than that. I mean, obviously it would be nice to build the cushion like I was trying to do on 06. We were at like what, 3,300 or whatever, but then we lost 2 days in a row, but we kept it at payout. But the only reason we were able to do that is because we did have that little cushion from the 10 contracts that we were trading and the trades were working. The idea is that the trade works right away. So, and there's nothing that we can do if it doesn't. Steve, this is what I'm talking about. I told Steve to text me the code and nothing. Gone. Nada. I asked you for your code like 3 times. I told you to text it to me. Nothing. Still nothing. You telling me to hold on? You telling me? You telling me to hold on? You know who you're talking to? Does this guy know who he's talking to? Yeah, Tamimi, I should have canceled today's trade. I really should have. That was my fault. Every part of me was saying to cancel it, and I was like, I don't know. I was just very ambitious to take that trade today, and I have to live with the results. So I'm the one pushing the buttons. Whoa, look at this dump. Ooh-wee. Is this some news? Oh, there is 10:30. This is what I was looking for. Is there news right now? That's natural gas storage is doing this? Natural gas storage is destroying the market. Natural gas storage saying, yo, dang. That's what I was looking for. This might not be done. Look at all that volume. I don't know if I want to play with this. Is this from crude oil? Let's go over to crude oil. Is that? Maybe. I mean, I wouldn't have. See, Steve, you would have screwed me again, man. I could have been trading this. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't have traded this anyway. Yeah, I got it, Steve. I got it. The ugly Android sound. I think that's gone. Pretty sure that's gone. Thought I saw Adley in here earlier. Was that yesterday maybe? Oh no, yeah, he was in here like right at the open. I think GDT ignored him though, so he got sad. Is that really natural gas storage that made that move? That's crazy. Well, I get to use my Kaboom thumbnail again today. I always love how, like, when there's a knee-jerk reaction, it just, like, you know, it happens, and then they're just like, oh, whatever. Yeah, the news was bad, but let's just go higher anyway. It's part of the process, Zishan. Again, we got a payout from the account, so I can't really complain. We had 2,000, so we make 2,000 from it, but we lose 250 to try to replace it. So in a way, every time you get at least one payout, but you blow the account, you're in theory only making like 1750 from it. But 1750 over and over again adds up. If I get a big payout, I would use your Tesla referral link. Mark my words. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I need to make that video to get my referral link out there. Yeah, Zishan, you should put some superchargers in there so when I come to visit. We'd be using a rental car probably. Science trade would have worked there. You would have had it right underneath. All right, there's the eval for tomorrow, 42. I don't understand why they're not showing up on here. Usually do. At least so I thought. Maybe I have to restart Quant. I don't know. It's funny you asked about that. I had a business meeting about that yesterday, and we were trying to get the city approval for it. Well, that's cool. It can't hurt, right? It would bring more people to the store. And the odds are, if people are stopping at your store to charge, they're gonna come in. I feel like it's very rare people are gonna plug into the charger and just sit in their car for 20, 30 minutes. I just want to check in on Alpine. He only made like a couple $100, it looks like, on the opening trade or something. I wonder if something went wrong there. But he's not showing it on the left side. I wonder if he's like ashamed. Like, wow, look at Hood. 1920s. Might have to roll that tomorrow before vacation. Are you up in the hood? Yeah, that's true. People could park the charge and come in and play some slots. You might need more slots. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I guess more than that, you become like a casino. All right, you know what? This is getting pretty boring. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'm gonna actually get some stuff done now. I'll be back tomorrow. We're gonna YOLO the eval at open. We're going to do the 10 contracts, 63 ticks, looking to see if we can pass that eval. If not, then we're just going to let that end our week. That this has been a pretty miserable week, even though we got a payout approved and secured another payout. Pretty happy about that. So the fact that we could walk away with 2 payouts on the week where nothing seemed to go right, I'll take it. Appreciate y'all being here. I will be here tomorrow morning. I'm gonna put out a video here with the good old kaboom thumbnail for these accounts that did get blown, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.